Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update audio drivers in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type settings. Open settings. Now, search device manager. Device manager. Open it. Now, look for the sound, video and game controller. Scroll down. Here it is. Now, right click on it. Now it will show all the updates here. Just tap on it. Now right click on it and tap on update driver. It will check all the automatically for all the driver. Tap on the search bar. Now as you can see here, my driver is updated and you can look for all the updates here and you can directly update your sound and video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Give a subscribe button.